Hi everyone, my name is Shanna, and for today's video, we're gonna talk some truths about AI replacing your job. So imagine this, you wake up, check your email, and boom, your boss says, "We found an AI that does your job better and for free." Sounds wild, right? But yes, it's already happening. AI is replacing jobs fast. But before you panic, let's answer some questions. Let's play a game. Is AI going to take your job? Warning, the next 30 seconds might change the way you see your career forever. AI chatbots are already replacing thousands of agents. No breaks, no salaries, no mistakes. Do you still feel safe? AI now writes scripts, blogs, even books in seconds. Sure, it lacks originality for now, but in 5 years, will your words even matter? AI can code, debug, and optimize faster than humans. If all you do is write basic code, then AI already does your job better. What happens when it gets smarter? AI can analyze legal cases and medical scans with insane accuracy. It's not perfect, but when does good enough becomes a goodbye? AI thrives on predictability. If your job follows a script, guess what? AI is learning your script right now. Still think you're untouchable?